Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio in the gallery studio. And I have a 16 by 20 inch pre-primed black canvas, and I'm going to try not to worry about it being primed a second time with my usual base coat. And I'm going to use a shovel after I add some colors to my pan. And I'm going to use my favorite inexpensive Anita's metallic white as a base and float my other colors on the top. And that was a dioxazine purple with iridescent pearl fine from Golden added to it. And there's a couple colors I can't use that I may add afterwards. This purple flash from Folk Art is not one of them, so I'm glad I got that to come out. I'm just going to use colors that I love, and I'm going to try and start as simply as possible, which is not to say that it will stay simple, because we know me. If you're here for the first time, please be welcome. I want to welcome all my new subscribers. I have 91,000 of you. Thank you very much for being here. And if you want to do me a big favor, you can watch the videos longer. You can watch them when the notifications come out. You can shop my Amazon link. There's awesome stuff there. It's under the link tree, which is right under the video. I have some hot orchid from Color Art that I have been enjoying. You are not supposed to add pouring medium to this, because you lose some of the metallic quality, but it is such a gorgeous color that I don't really mind anyway. So I'm getting on with this color scheme pretty well. I'm liking what I've got, and I'm figuring out for my lesson tomorrow what I'm going to have to make more of, and this is one of those things. And I think I made up a bunch of orange from a modern, no, it's a Master's Touch acrylic paint from Hobby Lobby. And then I put a whole bunch of iridescent pearl fine from Golden in it. And I am going to throw a little bit of the black enamel in there because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link underneath the video, underneath the link tree. Right next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. I really want to put my Venetian blue in there, but I'm so afraid that it's going to sink. So I'll put a little bit in there right now just to show you how sweet that's going to look when I finally am allowed to. But I think it's going to have to be an afterthought. And I am going to try some of this cobalt, which I think also got the iridescent pearl fine from Golden treatment to it. I do love making a pan of colors because it's like making a little painting. And every added color makes me happier. Except for when I get a Floetrol interruption. Okay, so my dog says someone's at the door. So I'm going to just start. I would appreciate it if you would stop announcing that someone at the door. Alright, I'm going to put some more orange in there. It's probably a cat across the street. And you probably can't hear it as well as I can. A little more orange. You know what? I want some yellow too. Maybe instead of yellow, yellow. Can you do me a favor and go tell him that I'm recording? And then I'll start when you come back. Little turquoise metallic. Oh yeah, totally. There we go. Now it's time to have some fun. Do I have enough white pearl? I guess I'll find out as I go along. So, I want something to rest my shovel in, and I'm going to grab I'm going for organic shapes. Sometimes I do geometrics, but this time it's going to be organic. I love my stripes coming straight out of the shovel. Not as much as I love paint chips, though. I'm trying to loosen up and make different shapes. And trying to broaden my spectrum of shovel activities to include new things. And that's pretty cool. I like it. So I'm sorry you can't see me shovel up. I'm focused. Sorry I'm quiet. But I'm having a good time. Woohoo! And I'm going to continue to have a good time, I think. Because that's a big blob of paint, I think I'm also going to allow some drippage. Kind of liked it better before I did that, actually. But oh well, never mind. I'm going to grab a little bit of magenta that I can see, because I'm picking and choosing what's in my shovel. If I get to the edge and I slow my shovel down, it allows a layer of paint to go right down over the edge and make a cohesive pattern. I wish I could show you that. I'm just doing whatever it takes to follow my instincts. And honestly, I could almost stop right now and leave all that negative space. It is an unprimed black canvas, which means I will be finished coating it with some watered down Liquitex gloss medium. Loving my colors. I think one more dose of that would be okay with me. Let's start down here. We're getting somewhere. Not sure where it is, but we're getting there. And I'm having a really good time doing it. Thank you guys for joining me. If you are interested in watching more of my videos, I have over 1,700 and you can find them on all playlists and creative playlists on my YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys giving me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. That's pretty cool. That's a big freaky flower. I like it. I'm just going to let my shovel relax its contents. Yeah, that's not hurting me. I'm down to my last shovel full of paint, unless I scrape my dish out. So and that's a rather large lump of something I want to get rid of. I don't know what's going on with the dogs, but it's weird. Or was that? I know I saw it somewhere, and then I lost track of it. So maybe... Come down, shovel. Paint. So far so good. I think I need something over here, and I'm going to use some of my hot orchid right in my shovel with the colors that are there. A little bit of gold, a little bit more of that white metallic from Anita's, or a lot in that case, and finish up with my folk art color shifting. Oh, I said I was going to use some blue and then I didn't do it. Sorry, I'm quiet. Should I tell you guys, I have Teespring clothing below the video. I'm going to lead that right over. Actually, I'm probably going to let the paint in my shovel that's residual, pull that right down. I'm going to look at this, see if I can get any more paint out of it. Just to show you, I made a pretty good guess. Oh wow, check those stripes out. Wow, they're awesome. Do I really want to do that? Maybe I don't. So far so good, I'm pretty happy. Let that go right down over the edge. So I'm almost done, and I want to say thank you for the wonderful comments you guys give me all the time. I'm going to look at this and decide where I want my blue to go, and I'm pretty happy with the rest of that. This is a Venetian blue from Modern Masters, and when I add it to a layer of paint, I don't always get to keep it. So I decided this time to add it afterwards, which seems to be working for me okay. Yep, I'm liking that. Not sure about that. Grab a skewer and see what I can do. Let's make a little spiral out of that. That's alright. Use my skewer to make some dots. Smaller dots. I'm thinking about the orchid. Yes. It's like I don't want that big splooge of paint there. Just a little interest here and there. Dipping my skewer in, letting the paint dissipate in increments, forgiving myself for leaving little tiny trails, knowing that a lot of these will pop really nicely. Out. Ha. Okay, well, I love you guys, and I didn't stop talking for a while. Please give me a thumbs up. Please share my videos. Please watch them when the notifications come out, if you can possibly stand to. If you watch the commercials, it helps me out. If you're looking for my books, they're on the Amazon link, where if you shop, it's at no added cost to you. They are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. And they are on the link tree, or the Amazon link is on the link tree. Under Show More, my email address is included also underneath that link tree, and should you be interested in making a purchase of an artwork, it is by all means the best possible way you could support me. in the production of videos and keeping me making more videos. There is a monthly drawing for anyone who is a contributor, and you are automatically included in that drawing if you use PayPal or Patreon, or ask me about Zelle and we'll figure that out. And you can see what the monthly prize, what the prizes are for the month on the exhibition video on the end screen of any video. I can't waste the color of my shovel. And I like dots. And I think I'm almost done. But you can't trust me, and you know that. Okay, so this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a pretty good idea how long 17 minutes is. What should I tell you? Thank you for the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting all this time. Look on the community board for tomorrow's video. And look on Expressionist, look on the link tree for all the Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, and tomorrow's video, Expressionist Art Studio Fans and Collectors, has the artworks and the albums that I've edited so far from the YouTube videos. And if you want to make a purchase, keep track of the hashtag in the title of the video you want to know about, and contact me through my email. Also under the link tree, pixels.com, Fine Art America, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. And should you be interested in shopping for all over print leggings or all over print t-shirts with some of my art on it, and you check Teespring Clothing, if it's not there, please ask me and I will add it. And I can also add designs to Fine Art America also. So my pouring recipe is underneath the description when you open the description under Show More under the video. I love you guys. Please ask your questions if you need to. I have no problem. I'll get to you when I can. If that is a thing, it's got to go. If it's a bubble, it was a bubble. I'm going to torch to release the bubbles in my paint, and I am all good to go. I don't think I forgot anything. It's a brand new torch, so it's really loud. I don't like that thing I see over there. So maybe I'll just make it into the one spiral and camouflage the rest, more or less. Alright, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, that was fun. Thank you for joining me. I love you guys. See you. Bye for now. Priscilla out.